Yeah, we're live, so I'm going to just wait for a few people to join so we can begin the conversation. Hey Insta Battle, hello, hey Sonem, we have people joining. Hey guys, how are you guys doing? What's up, what's happening guys? Hey Pandey Utsav, hello Shalu, hey Ankit, how are you guys doing? I'm sure all of you all have got the news and the announcement that happened this morning about the lockdown being extended. But don't worry, guys, we're here to entertain you. And today we're going to be joined by Abhimanyu Dasani. He made his debut with Mard Ko Daard Nahi Hota. The film is one of the best films, action films, and if you guys haven't watched it, then you guys are missing out on a lot. So I'm just gonna wait for him to send a request so he can join in. Hey Karan, hey Bobby, hello everybody, hello. Okay, and for all those who don't know me, I'm Shravan Shah. I'm the entertainment head at Miss Mali Entertainment. Because I keep on getting these questions a lot of times that, oh well, why is Miss Mali not? How is Miss Mali a guy? And I'm like, so I work for her. She is my boss lady. She's too good, and you'll have to follow her Instagram account. It's Mali Agarwal. So now I'm going to add Abhimanyu to the live so we can continue the conversation. I am just waiting for requests, and Abhimanyu has sent his request. Here we go. What's up, Mr. Boy?
Good to see you.
You.
You can't hear me?
Yeah, this is better.
Okay.
What's up? How are you doing?
Good, man. How are you doing? Tell me.
I am doing great. I'm doing great, buddy. It's been a crazy time. आज मतलब extension का announcement हो गया है finally.
Yeah.
तो कैसे लग रहा है सबसे पहली बात?
I mean, I was expecting it to go a little further, and I'd already accepted it. So, not.
By the way, Gulshan Devaya, show your abs.
Gulshan
Gulshan
is like,
Devaya, show your abs. Show abs. Oh God, show. He's still saying show abs, huh, by the way. What's up, Gulshan? How are you doing? Okay,
Master
he's
money.
still saying show abs.
अरे दिखा दिया ना क्या है?
He wasn't happy with the sneak peek, probably.
Yeah.
What's up, bud? How are you doing? What's happening?
Super, man. Chilling. I've been putting up everything that I've been doing on Instagram. I've been cooking because food is my first love. I've been working out. I've been putting up workouts for everyone without equipment at home to do those workouts.
Yeah.
I've been reading a couple of scripts. My team's actually going to start messaging me to read 2 more that they've sent me.
Oh, wow.
I watched all the shows and the movies that I missed out in the past 6 months because I was shooting.
I mean, I'm sorry saying, bhai, pani pina zarur.
Absolutely, yeah.
Pani pina zaruri hai, for sure. By the way, the requests are brilliant. Now somebody just think, remove your shirt. They're saying, just remove your shirt.
Just remove.
Just remove your shirt. Just remove it.
Remove it and go.
No, remove it. Okay, but you were talking about, and that's not stopping. By the way, remove the shirt. So yeah. That's saying.
My team is messaging me to read the scripts. Yeah, I'll read that. I'm also catching up on sleep.
Yes. काफी fresh look है वैसे ये.
If you guys are catching up on sleep, do that. You need it.
बहुत ही सख्त जरूरत to catch up on sleep. But talking about Mard Ko Daard Nahi Hota, Abhimanyu, the scene, the thing about the film is, it's great on action. And guys, I don't know whether you know this or no, but Mr. Abhimanyu here has done most of the action himself, and he's got all the action himself, and he's got hurt a lot of times while doing it.
Yeah, I have.
Do you want to tell them what happened?
I cut my leg with a switchblade. You could almost, the scar is still there. You could see almost to the bone. I broke my finger, this one. It's still not straight. Uh,
Don't do this. Don't do this on live, please.
uh, I dislocated my shoulder uh, while shooting for the film. There was a bike scene at the end, which Radhika was riding, and she rode it into me once. Uh, and a lot of things, yeah. But it's an action film; it's bound to happen. Things like this are
Yeah.
bound to happen.
And how did your
Uh,
mom react, by the way, when she saw you once on the set, where you got hurt? How did your
my
mother
mom,
react to that?
she paid a surprise visit on set one day. Uh, and surprised because I knew I was doing action, but I used to keep her away from the days that I was doing action. Like, no, no, today don't come and all that, whatever,
Uh-huh.
make some excuse. Uh, so one of the days we were shooting close to home, so she decided to drop in and see the shoot. And we were doing this action scene where it's Supri's entry scene, and I from one leg kick the knife out of the stuntman's hand, and with the other leg in the air kick him. So at this point in the take, the stuntman moved his hand and didn't let go of the knife. So it cut through my leg, and I landed, and I knew it was bad, but I didn't want her to know that it was bad. So I said, "No, no, sir, it's fine." And sir saw it on the slow motion monitor, and he was like, "Oh God." I was like, "Nothing, sir. Let's just take another one. We'll get it right. In the next take, we'll take it." We took 3 takes, and we got it. Okay, we got it. And then I put my pant up, and it was drenched in blood. And you
God.
could see, you could see the, I mean, I still have the scar on my leg and stuff. You
Wow.
could still see the, the insides of the,
Damn.
like, before my mom reacted, I was like, listen, 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 you can't react. You cannot react. The film is called Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota. And I promised Vasan sir that no matter what injuries happen, this shoot will not be delayed because of me. That is the only reason I wanted to do all my stunts.
That's
And that's why
brilliant.
here.
Somebody's asking in the comment section, by the way, what about your next film? Tell them about Nikamba.
Nikama, guys, Nikama is going to be so exciting. Again, there's a lot of action in the film. Sabir sir has gone all out with the action. It's insane. Shilpa Shetty Ma'am's making her comeback in that. Your
Yeah.
favorite YouTube sensation, Shirley Sethia, is there in the film. And the music is outstanding. Shout out to Amal Malik. He's made a banging track. It's the music's going to be played in every wedding next year.
Yeah?
Yeah, his
Awesome.
his track is killer.
Nice.
Yeah, and what else? Title track is amazing. The action is crazy. We had a lot of fun shooting it, but it's nothing
Uh-huh.
like Mud. It's a commercial film. It's a coming of age film. It's a lot about the bonds between family, and it's a thriller as well. So
Nice.
watch out, guys.
Okay. So I'm going to take a few fan questions.
Yeah.
Okay. Pinky is asking, would you like to work in Telugu movies?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. Any kind of regional cinema for that matter, whether it's South films, whether it's
Mhm.
Marathi films, anything, I would, the content is amazing, the kind of depth into character and emotions that they go to. I really enjoy watching them, so I would like to do anything that I enjoy watching.
Yeah.
So that we put that into the universe, we'll make it happen.
Yes, let's make that happen. Let's put it out in the universe. Okay. Anshul is asking, what do you do to get into peaceful state of mind?
What do I do to get into a peaceful state of mind? That's a very good question, guys, and especially in this time, you kind of get irritated sitting at home. Maybe अगर आप फैमिली के साथ में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हो तो बीच में कुछ तू मैं हो जाती है. It's bound to happen. For me, the two things that get me back into a good mood is one, a good sweaty workout,
Uh-huh.
and eating good food. These are two things that always get me going, but they're not available all the time. The
Uh-huh.
other thing is music. music you can travel without actually traveling. So guys, this is the time. Listen to all the old songs you used to love, which have memories connected to them that can
Yeah.
make you happy. Listen to new music, listen to different music. Yeah, music is great. Yeah, I've
Yeah,
been
my
listening to
that. Yeah.
90s and 2000s R&B music because that was the time that I grew up and I felt that is was the golden age for music. So Pranutan's
Kafi
here
true.
before, yeah, before she gets angry at me not reading. No
Yeah,
questions today. Just she's saying
yeah.
hi.
No questions. They just need to say, "Oh, solid guy, high five." Kafi true, Pradhan. I totally agree.
High
Totally
five.
agree with you.
ये
Also,
यूट्यूबर ब्यूनिक का स्टाइल है. High five guys.
high five. This is social distancing now.
Yeah.
Okay, my was asking, what is your mother tongue?
Hindi, yeah. Uh, Hindi is my mother tongue.
Yeah.
But I know Hindi, Marathi, Gujarati I can get away with. Punjabi, I can understand because I spent 1.5 months in Patiala earlier this year. English भी आती है यार थोड़ी बहुत English में बात कर सकता हूँ मैं.
Thodi बहुत English में. Okay, I like that. I like that. Siddharth Malhotra World is asking, would you like to work with Tara Sutaria?
Yeah, absolutely. I think she's very talented. One, she's extremely elegant, and I saw her years ago when she did a musical on stage called Grease. I'm a big fan of Grease, the original movie, also, and that's why I went for the show. And as soon as I saw, I mentioned this in the round table also. When I saw her, I said, one day this girl is going to be a star. Uh,
Uh-huh.
yeah, definitely would like to
The
work with
same
her.
people are asking, would you like to work with Dharma?
Yeah, of course. It's one of the, I mean, the major brand, that anyone in Bollywood would like to associate themselves with. We grew up on all their films.
Yeah, man. Totally.
So, yeah, definitely would love to do something with Dharma. And
Perfect.
Karan sir, if you're listening, Kejo.
Okay, so I'm now going to
मेरे
play our
पिक्चर है
rapid.
नेटफ्लिक्स पे मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता वो देख लीजिए. थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिंग आती है. बाकी सीख लूंगा मैं.
थोड़ी बहुत एक्टिंग नहीं आती है, बहुत ही ज्यादा एक्टिंग आती है. Let's not be diplo here.
My friend Rishika is there. Dr.
Oh
Rishika in
yes,
the
you
house.
look so good, she's saying.
But I mean, our dentist doctors, I don't know, that's a different question. But she's great. If anyone wants a dentist in Bandra, she's very expensive. Check her out.
Wow, not a way to do a shout out at all, but okay. Okay, I'm gonna play a rapid fire with you right now. Okay,
Yeah.
it has to be rapid and like Karan says, full of fire. Yeah,
Oh,
let's do
let's
this.
go.
Okay, if you could
एक
buy
से पानी
any
पीना
type of
पड़ेगा. एक से.
पानी पीना जरूरी है, please.
हाँ,
Rishika
ready,
says
ready.
she's not expensive at all, by the way, but ठीक है.
See, I'm okay with my crooked smile. That's why I'm fine. But जिसको जाना है तो please जाना उनके पास.
Perfect. Okay, and let's begin. If you could buy any food right now, what would it
Food.
be? Yeah, any
Food.
food item. Yeah,
Sushi, sashimi. Japanese food.
perfect. So what color is your toothbrush?
It's white and blue. It has like blue lines on it.
Okay. If you could be any animal right now, which one would you be?
I would definitely be a bird.
Yeah.
Probably like an eagle who can fly really high because I miss the wind, sitting at home और मैं तो ground floor पे हूँ तो I can't वो wind के
Yeah.
feeling I really miss it. I
Yeah.
used to love it on the football field or if I was driving a car I would put down the window. I miss that, so definitely a bird, fly. Travel also, you can travel also.
True. That puts me to my next question, which is that one thing on your bucket list right now?
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Which is that one thing on your bucket list right now?
One thing on my bucket list right now, I would love to go back and study. And I was hoping to do that this summer. And I'd taken out a slot of my work time for about 6 weeks to go and study abroad. But ab to nahi hoga. So I'll have to figure that out again, maybe next year.
Perfect. Who's your favorite superhero?
Spider-Man.
Ah,
In terms of movies, The Amazing Spider-Man, that was my favorite. It didn't do too well, but I think it was really, it hit the mark.
True, very true, very true. We are on the same page there. Okay. Who do you admire the most?
Who do I admire the most?
Yeah.
As an actor?
Anything. Who do you admire the most? It's an open question.
Oh,
In life.
okay, there are two people. One is an Instagram and YouTuber called Gary Vee. He speaks about how to be humble all the time, how to be kind all the time, and kindness is, takes you ahead. And two, there's an actor in Hollywood whose name is Mark Wahlberg. Just his passion of putting in 100% in whatever he does. He's been a boxer, he's been a rapper, he's been a gangster, he's been a actor, a producer, and everything that he's done, he's excelled in it. Whatever you do, just do it 100%. If you're having a bite of food, so your full attention should be in that one bite. Mein kya taste and what you are feeling with that. I want to just immerse myself in that. So that's
Nice.
something I
Okay. Your favorite summer activity?
Football.
Football? Nice. Who's your favorite childhood cartoon? Character.
My favorite childhood cartoon.
Character, yeah.
SWAT Cats used to be great on Cartoon Network. SWAT Cats, Hindi में भी आता था बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ ना.
Yes.
That's what.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cats.
Are you a morning person? Are you a night person?
Depends on the occasion.
Okay then. And the last one. What is your favorite hobby?
Favorite hobby?
Yep.
Well, playing football. Eating food.
Eating food or playing football? One of it.
Eating food. First love is
Eating food for sure.
Yeah. First, I fell in love with food first.
हाँ.
उसके बाद I fell in love with football. उसके बाद I fell in love with fitness. No, I fell in love with films and then I fell in love with fitness.
Nice. I like the order.
Then
They're
let's
happy.
just leave it.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And before I wrap up, I'm going to play another game with you where I'm going to do a hook step of a song. You're supposed to guess which song it is. It's all of y'all can also guess it. So here we go. We're going to test.
Guys, help me.
We're going to test Abhimanyu's, knowledge about songs now. Let's do this. And the first one.
Hey,
Are you ready?
I'm waiting on you guys, huh?
Are you ready?
You have to answer. Help me answer, guys.
Let's go.
हाँ. मेरे को दिख रहा ही नहीं ये आलिया और सिद्धार्थ का कौन सा गाना था वो वाला.
Very close. You're right about the actor, not the actress. But let me complete it. I just did one step.
Katrina and Siddharth. Oh, Kala Chashma.
Woo! Pranithan sir, Kargai chill. Friend is helping, but Tanya has answered Kala Chashma and so have you. And we go with the next one. Okay, I hope you can see this, but here we go.
This
You're supposed to sing the song, buddy. You're supposed to sing the song. Sing it, sing the song.
I'm not singing the song. But
okay, I think say the song. What is ding, ding, ding.
It's the most epic song.
But tell me the name of the song.
एक पल का जीना यार.
It's एक पल का जीना.
एक पल का जीना.
Okay, next one.
When Hrithik Roshan sir really changed the game, yaar. After that, what a debut, yaar.
Totes agree.
Acting next level, physique next level, dance next level, looks next level. He just changed.
कैसे होता है ये? Next one.
After that, everyone had to work thrice as hard as they would, normally work to get into Bollywood because he took it to the next level only.
That's so true.
Always does with all his films. There's just so much effort in it. Yeah.
That's so true. Are you ready for the next one? Let's do this.
चलो. मेरे पास तो अभी बाल भी है यार.
Okay. And the last one.
हाँ.
And the last one. Okay.
हाँ. क्या ये क्या है? आँख मारे.
Close. It is
ये पता नहीं, I don't know.
Dude, you said the first one right. What is this?
हाँ, अखियों से गोली मारे. That's the step.
Of course,
That's the
that's the
step.
new song. That's the new one. I did the new one.
Oh, the new one.
The new one.
The new one. I haven't seen
Yes,
the
it
new
was the
one.
new one.
But
Not bad, not bad. 5 on 5. Actually, 4.5 on 5, but not bad. Chalo.
yeah, but I messed
Four
up.
and a half on 5. But thank you so much, Avi. It was great talking to you. And I
What's
hope I'm
happening?
going to catch up with you super, super, super soon. Yeah?
Yeah. What's happening otherwise, yeah, guys? I hope everyone's staying at home because the
Yeah.
numbers keep rising. So guys, please stay at home, yeah. A lot of artists are doing a lot of things online to keep you guys entertained. There's so much on all the OTT platforms. So work करते रहिए, देखते रहिए. All these guys on Miss Malini are going live and like sharing their experiences with you all. So yeah, Shama is saying save the live. Yes, Shama.
I will
will.
save the live. The live will be saved. It will be shared on the page. Can you tell us fun stuff about Akmicholi? Yes, actually, we didn't
Yeah.
speak about Akmicholi. Pranutan is helping me. I love it. I just love this.
Aqua actually is it's out and out comedy film.
Comedy,
And,
yes.
I got to work with some insane stars. I'll tell you all a small story about Vijay Raj sir that I got to spend time with him and it was amazing. तो मेरा birthday था and we were on set और खेतों में about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon 10 डिग्री था, हवा चल रही थी and we were all enjoying it, okay? And Divya Datta ma'am, Abhishek Banerjee, Vijay Raj ji and me, 4 of us were sitting in the खेत के बीच में, set कहीं और है and something was going on. तो Vijay Raj sir said एक काम करो, 4 चाय मंगाओ, सब लोग ले चाय. तो लोग यार खुश हो गए यार, बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं चाय के साथ में. Then the chai has come, tea has come. He has taken the tea in his hand and he's put it up. And I got that moment, and it's a moment that I'll probably treasure for life. And I put it up on Instagram. You guys can check it out on Instagram. He has said, "Chai ka rang dekh, ye chai ka. इसे chai कहते हैं." And I was so for 2 minutes he went on praising the color of the tea without having the sip. I mean, you come to know the tea is good. चाय अच्छी है, वो रंग से समझ में आ जाता है. पर वो यार क्या, मतलब मुझे लगा कि मेरी चाय छोड़ के मैं उनकी चाय पी लूं. वो इतने कन्विंसिंग थे. बट आई मीन चारों की चाय सेम ही थी, साथ में बनी थी. पर यार ही इज नेक्स्ट लेवल यार. ही इज superb. So I got to spend a lot of time.
It sounds like it's going to be a fun time for sure.
We had so much fun shooting it. Paresh Rawal sir is there in it. Sharman Joshi is there in it. We had all the boys had so much fun bonding over this. बहुत मस्ती करते थे. And Mrunal Thakur is there. Mrunal is there in the film. She's gotten so big in the past 1 year. Guys, she has so many films coming out. And it's an out and out fun film यार. बहुत मजेदार है. और कोई questions लेना है तो guys, you wanna hit a few questions before I head out for my workout?
Yes, let's okay. Which is so somebody said which is your mom's favorite song?
My mom's favorite song?
Yeah.
Wow. I don't know the answer to that yaar. I don't know the answer to that question.
You don't? Okay, which is your favorite song of your mom's?
Bala Sir's song. My favorite song. For sure.
Nice.
When I was growing up, I didn't enjoy it, but I mean, now it's...
Karthik Ananya is saying, by the way, that she cannot wait for both your films. Pranutan has asked one quality about Shirley Sethia that you like.
She's a hustler, yeah. She's a hardworking girl because she's come to shift alone from Australia to India to pursue your dreams. That's hard enough. Then you're a YouTube star to doing stage shows to doing covers to now doing a Netflix film to doing a Bollywood film uh, is pretty cool, man. The whole journey is pretty cool. So hats off to her.
Yeah. Somebody's asked, will there be a Mard Ko Dard Nahi Hota part 2?
यार हाथ जोड़ता हूँ आप लोग सब मिल के RSVP को मैसेज कीजिए बिकॉज मेरे हाथ में नहीं है बट आई वुड लव टू डू मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता टू यार we
Yeah.
had too much fun on set. Yeah, we had too much fun on set. So yeah.
Okay.
Someone
Ask
wishing happy
favorite-
birthday.
Yes.
Lena, happy birthday.
Somebody's asked-
series to binge on?
Yeah. Favorite series to binge on?
Yeah, right now I'm binging on one anime show called My Hero Academia. You
Uh-huh.
guys can watch that on Netflix. Writing is very deep, it's class. But otherwise, Modern Family is amazing. Peaky Blinders is amazing. Mind Hunters are amazing. True Detective was a killer show. The English Game is a show on football. If anyone's a football fan, please watch The English Game.
Perfect. So thank you so much, Abhi. It was great talking to you once again. You are a rock star, you know that. And we will start super soon again. Till then, take care of yourself.
Yeah. See you guys.
And stay
Cheers.
safe.
Bye guys. Bye.
Bye. So that was Abhimanyu, guys, for you guys. I'm going to save this live so that you guys can watch the entire live again. I'm going to catch up with you guys tomorrow at the same time. Till then, adios.